What up, folks? I'm Ned from Ned's Tech, but otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet. Today, I just want to do a quick teardown of this coffee warmer, this mug warmer. I guess is not exclusively for coffee. Now, when you're doing teardowns, you'll generally find that if you got a unit that takes screws, the screws are going to be under the padded feet. So sometimes you have to rip those things right out. Now this looks like, I believe these are called inductive, so you don't really have a top coil, you have a coil underneath. Back in the 80s, these things were thought of as really cool. Everybody wanted one. Normally these have a cable on them, but I took the cable off. Actually, I needed it for my solar power system. Instead of using the easy snap-ons, what are they called, MR4 or whatever, I use the standard stuff because it's easier to find them. I am in quite a remote location. So remote that Amazon doesn't even deliver to me anymore because of the Canada Post strike. I gotta say, the Canada Post strike. Those guys are asking for quite a few things that many of us don't normally get. Many of us plebes. Anyways, this unit is a lovely counter for a spot where you don't necessarily have a counter. Anyways, let's see if that will get her open. Open says me, and just like that. Very simple. Very simple, not a whole lot to it. Oh, this is what I love to see. If you got cables, you have a termination point where you can just plug right in. I wasn't expecting something like this. I'm not sure what I was expecting. Huh. Huh. That's it, eh? That's it. Let's see if we can take that right off. That's the coil. This will be the unit place where we take it from energy to heat. Not sure if that shows up. Come on. Nope. Huh. Huh. It's almost like it's just aluminum. One sec. Yeah, check it out. It's basically aluminum. I wonder if that is aluminum. It's frickin' fiber. It's just some kind of frickin' fiber. I'm not even seeing any... Okay, I don't even know how that works, because that seems like it's just fiber. Anyways, you got the glass top. And an extremely simple motherboard. Cool. Okay, now that's interesting. This is a piece you've seen before. Let's flip it over. And it seems like we have a breaker switch right here. That must be to turn it off once it reaches a certain temperature or something. W10A. That's pretty neat. That's pretty neat. Yeah, hot plate. Love this stuff. I'm gonna put the stuff back together and use this as a little counter in my outdoor area. Anyways, that's it for me, folks. Have a good one. Take care of each other.